Okay, now that Christmas is just sadly behind us and we're approaching January, many of you are going to start feeling like you're falling into like the winter doldrums, like the little boredom and feeling a little stale about your outfits. You're wearing the same like sweaters and jeans on repeat, and you might feel like you need some fresh ideas to keep that outfit inspiration going and to continue to love what you wear every single day. So today's video, I'm going to share 10 winter or winter-ish outfit formulas with jeans. These are outfit formulas I've been sharing with some of the current pieces in my wardrobe, some of my favorite denim. I'm going to have all of these pieces or similar pieces linked to them below, but 10 fresh, stylish, chic, and most of all, flattering outfit ideas that you can wear with jeans this winter. So welcome. If you're new here, my name is Netta. My whole goal of everything I do is to help you build a wardrobe that helps you get out the door every single day feeling really confident, feeling stylish, loving your wardrobe, because I feel like when we look good, that spills over into the rest of our day. I know that whole meme that's gone on in social media, I totally agree with it. I feel like I should have written it. I'm nicer when I like my outfit. I'm nicer when I like my outfit. So if you're not loving your winter outfits, hopefully this is going to give you some inspiration to do just that. Okay, I have a Closet Confidence Workshop series. It starts like 10 days from now, like January 6th. As soon as we have the holidays behind us, we're like wrapping that up. We're going to be ready to dive into your 2025 style together. You're going to figure out what works now for you over 50. Like, let's face it, probably a lot has changed. Your body has changed, shopping has changed, your preferences have changed, like flattery has changed, styles have changed, like everything has changed. So let's start 2025 off in the most stylish way ever. This is free. It is completely transformational. I would highly encourage you to join us. I'm gonna have the link in the pinned comment and in the description box, or comment Closet Confidence and I'll share the link with you. So you won't want to miss that. Okay, let's get started. 10 outfit formulas with jeans that I think we should all be wearing on repeat going into 2025. So the first is, this is one of my favorites and it's so easy. It's a feminine top plus feminine shoes plus wide leg jeans. Now there's the option of throwing a jacket on over your shoulder, of course, because why not? That always looks stylish and elevated. But I really love, because I feel like there's a juxtaposition. Jeans are casual and lean, a little more masculine. So adding a really feminine blouse, I feel like every single woman deserves a lacy or feminine white or off-white or cream or beige blouse in her wardrobe. And I have several, and I wear them on repeat. The white one in these pictures is a white kind of like eyelet lace blouse from Petite Studio that I absolutely love. Again, I'll have all of these pieces or similar to them linked, but I love, love, love this. I am wearing it with, these are wide leg jeans from H&M, and I'm wearing a feminine pair, and I've tried multiple. I did this with my fuchsia espadrille mules. I've done this with my silver Mary Jane pumps. I've done it with like a variety of just feminine shoes. So keeping the shoes and the blouse lacy and feminine and pretty with the jeans, I think is such a great pairing. Also showing it with like an old Free People cream lace blouse that I've had forever, and a pair of nude ballet flats. Like that's a way to take it down a level, make it a little less dressy, through a moto jacket over my shoulders to add contrast between the feminine lacy top and the edgy moto jacket. So lots of different ways you can play with this combination, but I think a feminine top or blouse plus jeans plus a feminine shoe is just a go-to that we can wear on repeat. Next, this is one of my favorite formulas because I feel like it's so flattering. It's a white tee. It could be any white top. It could be a tank. It could be a bodysuit, plus a cropped trench, plus wide leg jeans, plus cap toe slingbacks. Now, why this works so well is the trench hits at the waist. So even though it's not really fitted at the waist, it hits at the waist and allows the flattery of the wide leg jeans to really come through. You don't lose your shape. You don't lose your waistline. The top being tucked into the jeans is critical here. So you've got this sleek top tucked into the jeans. You've got this waist defining cropped trench. You've got the wide leg jeans, which already create that line like this. The perfect pair of wide leg jeans should really create a triangular line where the hem is wider and the waist is more defined, because that really is what's going to make it flattering and really help you define your waist and not make it look like a tree trunk straight up and down look, but like a nicely defined waistline look, which is something many of us could use as our waistline straighten out as we get older. older. So I love that. And then adding the cap toe slingbacks, I feel like adds, you'll see them in a couple of these outfits. I just love them. I will continue to love them. They may be moving more into classic and not as trendy territory, which is great. That's kind of where they belong anyway. But I feel like they elevate every single outfit. So love this outfit formula. I would wear this daily. Okay, the next is what I'm wearing right now. It's a pop color sweater. This one happens to say sweater weather on it. It's my holiday sweater, my Christmas sweater, but this is a sweater in your pop color. So whatever that pop color is for you that you think is a fun color and is your accent color for your wardrobe, I really like bright colors or pop colors. Now your pop color might not be bright. Maybe it's teal, maybe it's plum, whatever that color is for you. I really think that adding a pop color sweater to a pair of white wide leg jeans looks fresh and modern. So that's what I'm doing here. Now, because it's holiday, I'm pairing it with my red Mary Janes, but I would often and usually do this with like my hot pink pump instead. So I would pick out another color from the outfit. This is one of the few times that I allow myself to be matchy because I just feel like it just works in this combination. And I really, really like this, the bold shoe and the bold sweater, pop of color shoe and pop of color sweater with the white wide leg jeans. I think it just kind of modernizes everything. Now, if I did this with a skinny jean, I feel like it would be a dated look. So it's really like those details, getting those details right that makes it look modern. Okay, next outfit. This is a long sleeve knit top or tee. So just like your long sleeve t-shirt, something a little bit more fitted. This one happens to be from Petite Studio. It has an asymmetrical hem and it's off the shoulder. So it's a cool top. But I took my striped sweater. This was also from Petite Studio. It's a striped cardigan, not super oversized. I tied it diagonally across my body like that. I felt like it just created a cool look. Those of you with broad shoulders, strong upper bodies, you may want to create these asymmetric and diagonal looks to really balance out the upper half of your body. I love this. It was super easy. It took 2 seconds to style it this way. And of course, I'm wearing jeans, and then I added a pair of fun black patent leather Mary Janes. So just an easy way to style two pieces. Now, what's cool is that, if it gets a little cooler, obviously you can untie the sweater, put it on. But rather than like tying the sweater around my neck, which I do, or tying the sweater around my waist, which can add bulk, I tied it crisscross, and I just felt like it just kind of completed the outfit. Okay, let me know whether you like that cross tie. I know some of you, it's going to be polarizing. Some of you are going to love it and some of you are probably going to hate it. Okay, next is, I love this statement sweater. This is from Rijoas. I'll try to find, it's an older one. I'll try to find similar ones for you, but this is a statement sweater plus dark jeans plus statement studded flats. So I took like a really fun two statement pieces and combined them in an outfit and grounded them with the very simple dark jeans. So fun sweater, but it's flattering. It's got an open neckline. It's got a V neckline. It hits at the waist. It's just a great sweater for me. And then I added my black studded Mary Janes that I've been wearing on repeat. These have been my shopping shoes over the holiday season because they are so ridiculously comfortable. I just love them. So been wearing those two pieces together, and then the jeans just kind of complete the look. So statement sweater, statement flats, simple jeans, just easy outfit formula. Okay, next is a monochromatic cream on cream denim look. So this is my cream sweater. This is a fisherman sweater. It's kind of like more like an off-white sweater from Quince. Love this sweater. It's a cotton sweater. It's just a great versatile sweater, and I find that I reach for it a lot. I'm wearing it with cream jeans. These are cut from the cloth. They are very comfortable and very flattering. I absolutely love these jeans. I'll have them linked. And then my cream slingbacks from 7 or 9 shoes. Again, love these. These are their mascarpone slingbacks. I do have codes for a couple of these items in this specific outfit. But the cream sweater, cream jeans, cream slingbacks, it's elevated, it's elegant, it's luxurious looking, it looks old money. I do feel like head to toe cream or head to toe white is underrated in terms of elegance. Black is not the only monochromatic elegant outfit. I feel like cream is even more elegant than head to toe black, if I may say so. And it looks a little more high maintenance. It looks like I don't have to do things because I'm wearing cream. Okay, the next outfit is a statement sweater with a sweater coat and coated jeans and leopard pumps. Okay, so the statement sweater is a color block sweater. This is an older one from Petite Studio. I'll have something similar linked. I love, love, love this sweater. I think they call it the Meg sweater, but it's a color block sweater. It is in neutrals, but it's color blocked, so it kind of makes a statement with the blocking. And then I added the Blaze cardigan, also from Petite Studio. This is not a sponsored video. These are just some of my actual favorites on top, because I wanted the sweater creates more of a horizontal line, and I wanted to create a more vertical line, and I also wanted another layer because it was really cold that day. I paired the sweater and the sweater jacket or cardigan with coated jeans. These are from cut from the cloth. They feel and look like faux leather or like leather. I love them, but they are very, very comfortable, as in curl up on the couch at the end of the day in them comfortable. Really, really comfortable. I love these so much. And I'm wearing them with a leopard pump, or in this case, it's a leopard mule, but it looks kind of like a leopard pump. So like a little dash of pattern, the color blocked sweater, the sweater coat or cardigan, and the coated jeans. I just love this outfit combination. Just like today, my hair was super wet in that video, in that picture. Okay, the next outfit is, this is my Fair Isle sweater from Petite Studio. I really love their knits. I wear them all the time. I love the color combination in this. I think that the light blue and red is a little unexpected, so much fun, so festive, so cute. So I'm wearing the Fair Isle sweater with a very old coat from my wardrobe. This is my Marc Jacobs coat from like 15, 20 years ago. I've probably shared, some of these I've shared in my Closet Confidence Facebook group because they've been part of the outfit challenge we're doing all month long. But just love the combination of a statement sweater and a statement coat, and a colorful sweater with a colorful coat. Like, find a version of this that works in your own wardrobe. So maybe you've got a colorful sweater and a colorful coat and you've never thought of combining them. Try them together and see what you think. I'm pairing it with cuffed jeans and then my white booties. These are from Dream Pairs. They're very, very comfortable and also very, very affordable, so I'll have them linked. But really, really easy, really comfortable outfit that was so much fun. I went out to coffee with a friend, and then went out with another friend, and then did a closet edit with a client, and I got so many compliments on this outfit. I had kids walk up, like teens walk up to me and compliment me on this outfit. I just had so much great feedback about this outfit. It was so much fun to wear. It felt so festive and so cute. Okay, the next is, this is something I shared in my layering video, but these are, one of my favorite ways to wear jeans is with a blazer and bodysuit. So I'm going to show you a couple of different blazers. These are both from Estier, with my Estier jeans and those beloved cap toe slingback. So a blazer, a longer blazer, like menswear inspired or more classic style blazer with a bodysuit and jeans and cap toe slingbacks is perfection in my book. I would wear this over and over and over and over again. It's super flattering because the bodysuit is sleek. It shows off the waistline. It keeps the longer blazers from being overwhelming and being unflattering. And I just think that this outfit combination really, really works. Now I'm going to show you, so those are both, like I said, classic blazers that are derived from like traditionally men's suits, right? Obviously women have been wearing blazers for 50 years, but that's just that silhouette of a classic blazer. Now I'm going to flip it to a more feminine jacket. And so it's going to be the lady jacket or cardigan or a little structured tweed jacket. So a more feminine jacket style, also with bodysuit and jeans and cap toe slingbacks. I love this. I feel like you cannot go wrong with a bodysuit, wide leg jeans, cap toe slingbacks, and any jacket in your wardrobe. You could do this with a coat. You could do this like I'm showing it here with a lady cardigan, with a cropped tweed jacket, with a longer tweed jacket. You could do it with a coat. You could do it with a cardigan, especially a structured cardigan. There's you could do it with a trench. You could do it with a cropped trench. There's literally no topper that you could add on top of this outfit that probably would not be just perfect and look really, really flattering. So that is my final outfit formula. 10 easy outfit formulas with jeans that you can continue to wear as long as you've got cooler weather where you're at. Again, we've probably got at least a month, 2 months, 3 months, 5 months left of cool weather. So if you're looking for more of those outfit ideas, that's what this video is all about. 10 outfit ideas with jeans. I hope that you found this helpful. joyful and fun. I hope that you are enjoying your holiday season. And I know it feels like January 6th is a long way away. It's not. It's less than 10 days, I think. So you want to sign up for Closet Confidence. It won't be the same without you. And truly, it's a transformative, free, revolutionary process to take your wardrobe through. Love you guys so much. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it and subscribe so we can hang out some more.